Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to accounts and backup, and click on accounts. Now you have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now click on your Google account that you currently have included here, and if you'd like to remove it, click on remove account, and then confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its messages, contacts and other data from the device. Just click on remove account, and as you can see, it's no longer here. So this is it, and then if you'd like to add Google user, just open the settings one more time, find and pick accounts and backup, go to the accounts, and then click on add account. So here you have to pick Google, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now just enter your email address or phone number, whichever you have connected with Google, and in my case it's this email address. Then click on next, and now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. Smoothly tap on the links, and then you can come along with the whole documents. Here they are. Just read it, and if you agree with all the conditions presented there, just click on I agree. And here you've got some particular Google services. Tap on accept to confirm your selection of these services. And that's it. As you can see, the account has been added and you can use it. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.